Hello, and welcome to our English class. My name is Lois, and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. I'm excited to have you all here, and I'm looking forward to a productive and enjoyable class. Today we're going to see the next topic. Introducing yourself and greeting others. Greetings like hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? Introductions. My name is, I am from, nice to meet you. Conversation fillers. Really, that's interesting. I hope these lessons prove to be highly beneficial and through practice, enable you to effectively engage in conversations with others in English, including initiating conversations confidently.
Hello, my name is Tom. What's your name?
Hi Tom, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from London. That's interesting. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. So, Sarah, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I work at a local elementary school. How about you?
I'm a software engineer. It's not the most exciting job, but I like it.
That's cool. Do you have any hobbies or interests outside of work?
Yeah, I'm really into photography. I love taking pictures of landscapes and nature. How about you?
I love reading and writing. I write short stories in my free time.
That's great! What kind of stories do you like to write?
Mostly fiction. I like to write about different cultures and historical periods.
That's really interesting. Speaking of cultures, have you done any traveling recently?
Yes, I went to Peru last year. It was amazing. The food was incredible and the scenery was breathtaking.
That sounds awesome. I've always wanted to visit South America. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Her name is Luna. How about you?
I have a cat named Whiskers. He's a bit lazy, but he's a good companion.
That's cute. So, what about your family? Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a sister. She lives in New York with her family.
That's nice. Do you visit them often?
Not as often as I'd like, but I try to see them at least once a year.
That's understandable. I have a brother who lives in Europe. We don't get to see each other very often either.
That's too bad. Well, it's been great getting to know you, Sarah.
Same here, Jack. Thanks for the chat.
No problem. Maybe we can grab a coffee sometime?
That sounds great. Let's plan on it. That sounds great. Let's plan on it.
Definitely. Take care.
You too. Bye. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any further questions.